दादा दादी का स्नेह है पाया, माँ के आंचल में सदा सुकून मुझे है आया। छोटी बहन का सुपर हीरो हूं मैं और भाई का हक हूं मैं। अपनी माँ का प्यारा हूं मैं और अपने पापा का एक हक हूं मैं एक बैच की एक पहचान, मैं आपका प्यारा मोहम्मद हनीफ खान।
Now I thank Unacademy for sponsoring this video. Now save up to 25% on your Unacademy NEET UG subscription. Beat the price hike before May 19. Unacademy has come up with an exciting offer unlock where you can avail 20% off on NEET UG till 19th May. Post 19 prices will rise by 5%. So if you take the subscription before 19th May, you can save up to 25%, which is a good amount of money. So don't waste your time. Use my code NATWAR10 to avail the offer. The price will hike on both Plus and Iconic subscriptions. You can take subscription of your desired duration like 2 year, 1 year, 1.5 year, 6 months or 3 months. So I request that please don't waste your time and just enroll in it. There will be very good facilities for you guys so that you can perform in a better way in your NEET UG exams. Now, if I describe some special features of Plus and Iconic subscription provided by Unacademy, then these features are experienced faculty so that they can teach you in a better way. There will be best question bank and mock test provided to you guys so that you can practice in a better way. There will be doubt solving facilities for all you guys so that you can solve your doubt, and the most special feature is that there will be personal mentorship provided to you guys so that your queries can be solved.
डुबाओगे क्या?
तेरा नाम ले, ये बात तू मान ले। मेरा दिन भी तू, मेरी शाम तू, मेरे रात के सपनों में तू, मेरी आहटे तेरा नाम ले, ये बात तू मान ले। साल का मेरा एक दिन ना हो जिसमें तेरी तस्वीर ना हो। और क्या करोगे, इतना ही प्रिपेयर किया था।
देख लो, वो नमिता है, मेरी नमिता। बहुत प्यार करता था उससे, वो नहीं करती थी, पर चलो कोई बात नहीं। उसकी शादी कमलेश से हुई। एक दिन वो दोनों स्कूटर पे करके जा रहे थे। मैं बस ये पूछना चाहता था कि वो ठीक तो है ना, वो खुश तो है ना, कोई टेंशन वेंशन तो नहीं उसे। फिर एक दिन मैं उसके घर से आवाजें आने लगी, कमलेश कमलेश कमलेश, ये किसे ले आए हो, कमरे में किसे ले आए हो। मैं उधर ही बैठा था। जानते हो कौन था वो आदमी? मैं, आपका हीरो। बस 5,000 में मान गया था वो, और चुपचाप जाके अपने कमरे में सो गया। फिर क्या क्या बताऊं उस दिन क्या क्या हुआ। शर्म आती हुई तो। पर मैं फिर अगले दिन सुबह गया तो उसने खुदकुशी कर रखी थी। बताओ कैसे कैसे लोग हैं दुनिया में।
So very congratulations to all the finalists. We will now proceed towards the last round of Mr. and Miss Special competition, that is the questionnaire round. So over to the judges.
Good evening, ma'am. Shubh Patel.
Hi, good evening, Shubh. Shubh, if you get a choice to deal with one social issue in the country, what would you choose and why?
The one social issue which I would like to deal with is poverty. Because I think that poverty is one of the basic reasons our country is not developing. Because we have major celebrities in India over here, like I can name a lot of them, but I don't have time. Sorry, ma'am. But the one thing that the averaging out this really good amount of people is the low amount of people, and I think we should all as a society make approaches to uplift all the poverties and the biased communities which are being done injustice to. Thank you so much.
Now Mr. Fresher, Aditya Joshi. And at the last, we have Krupal Panchal as the Miss Fresher.
Thank you.